Hello. Let's get started. First, log into your hosting or website, then click Manage in Premium Web Hosting. First, to create subdomain, click on Domain, then Subdomain. Write your domain name accordingly, then click Create. Your subdomain is ready. Now you need to install WordPress in your domain. To do that, click on WordPress on your left side, then Overview. Here, select your newly created domain. Then click Install. Fill these with your website title, admin email, WordPress login username and password. To create directory domain, first click on Website on your left, then Auto Installer. Now scroll down and select according to your choice. We will select WordPress. Here, fill these with your website title, admin email and WordPress username and password. Also click Open Advanced and make your domain according to your choice, but make sure that you have selected your main domain, then / then your subdirectory. For example, I will make www.webexpertasad.com /YouTube